Taking a taxi. Simple English conversation. Excuse me. Hello, how can I help you?
I want to take a taxi.
Of course. Where are you going?
I want to go to the City Museum.
That's a nice place to visit.
Yes, I heard it is very popular.
It is. Do you want a taxi now?
Yes, please. I want to leave soon.
No problem. I will call a taxi for you.
Thank you.
Hello? I need a taxi at the hotel entrance. Yes, one passenger. Thank you. Your taxi will arrive in about 5 minutes.
That's quick.
Yes, taxis are usually fast here.
Good. This is my first time taking a taxi in this city.
Don't worry, it's easy and safe.
That makes me feel better. I want to make sure I have everything.
Do you have your wallet?
Yes.
Do you have your phone?
Yes.
Perfect.
I'm a little nervous.
That's normal when traveling.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. The taxi should be here any moment. Here it is.
Great.
Please wait near the door.
Okay. I'm ready. Have a nice trip. Thank you. See you later.
Hello, are you Daisy?
Yes, that's me.
Nice to meet you. Please get in. Where would you like to go?
To the City Museum, please.
Sure, we'll be there soon.
Thank you.
Is this your first visit here?
Yes, it is.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you. Everything looks new to me.
The museum is a good first stop.
I'm excited to explore. The streets are busy.
Yes, but traffic is moving well today.
That's good.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love seeing new places.
That's great.
I want to take photos at the museum.
You'll find many good spots there.
I can't wait. The ride feels smooth.
I'm glad.
Can you tell me how long it will take?
About 10 more minutes.
Perfect. I want to arrive on time.
We are right on schedule.
Good. Is traffic okay?
Yes, just a small light.
No problem. This is easier than I thought.
Taxis are convenient for travelers.
I agree.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, thank you.
Let me know if you need anything.
I will. I see many shops.
This is a popular area.
I want to come back later.
That's a good plan.
Traveling is exciting.
It sure is.
Can I ask something?
Of course.
How much will the ride cost?
Around $10.
That sounds fair.
Yes, it's a standard fare.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card or cash is fine.
Good to know.
We're almost there.
That was fast.
Yes, the roads are clear.
I appreciate the smooth drive.
Thank you. There's your stop.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
Here we are.
Thank you. I'll pay by card.
No problem. Payment received.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome.
You were very helpful.
I'm glad to hear that.
This was a good experience.
Enjoy the museum.
I will. Taking a taxi was easy and comfortable.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye. I feel more confident traveling now.